Hello everyone, I'm Josephine Koh. I'm a Bosendorfer artist. Today, I shall discuss the ABRSM alternative piece, Arabesque Sentimentale by Gillock from my Teacher's Choice series. It's marked Allegretto ma con rubato, which means relatively fast but with some flexibility of time. There's use of the damper pedal, which needs to be released at the right point in order to avoid overclouding of the harmonies and notes. Let's take a look. This is a 4-bar phrase, and the inner part needs to be kept really quiet. There's a singing melodic line in the right hand. Extremely sweet and singing in the right hand. There's quite some use of cross-hand passage in bar 25 to bar 32. Section A returns again. Let us hear it in totality. If you enjoy what I have done for you, do like, subscribe, and share to help me with the algorithm, and let me know in your comments below what other pieces would you like me to present for you.